They always start doing this shit right about the time I want to go to bed. Of course, they're running all night making all kinds of noise, but then they start this loud beeping shit and running in the trailer and literally keeping me from sleeping. I guess the Nazis have just about complete control over the country now, because we can't get a lawyer unless it's for divorce or collision. They're no longer interested in issues of democracy, law and order, or noise ordinance, or anything that benefits the people.